Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I just want to say this. The One of the main components that I've been waiting for to be available online was actually available at Best Buy. Now, it wasn't MSRP, but hey, it was available and I jumped on it. So that component that I'm talking about is this AORUS GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. So originally I saw it on Best Buy. I believe it was or not the MSRP, but how much they were selling it was $899, so $900. One of the things was that I did have $140 in, I guess, what would it be like, certificates. So I went right ahead and basically just said, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab it. I've waited since I actually upgraded this computer. So yeah, it's like right now I'm running on, what is it? I forgot what it is. An RT 480, I believe. 8 gigs of GDDR5. So yeah, when I was trying to play with this one, a little bit newer titles, it just couldn't handle it. It just wasn't up to par. So now that I have this one, and as well, this is my very first NVIDIA graphics card. So very anxious to actually start playing with it. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go right ahead and unbox it. Let's see what we got in here. Oh boy, okay, here we go. So of course, here's a shot of the box. So this one, if I remember correctly, is a beefy card. It's a big card. So let's go right ahead and get this open. I'm not gonna show the front of the box, back of the box, all that good stuff. So like, nah. Let's just open it. Oh, I forgot to mention this, but yeah, this is the AORUS Master 3070 Ti. Yeah. Okay, here we go. We have a little envelope, AORUS envelope. All right, so got some foam. And here we go. So here's the card. Looks like you get a little badge here. I don't know if, let's see. Let me get this out. Yeah, it's a little nice little AORUS badge. You could go right ahead and tape it anywhere you want, or stick it anywhere you want. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. All right, and holy hell, this is a beefy card. Long card as well. I think it's longer than the one that I have right now. The graphics card, by the way. Oh boy. Jesus. All right, so they weren't kidding when they said it was a beefy card. So metal back plate right here. Let's see. So it does have, let's see, so it's 1, 2, 8 port GPU connectors with a 7, I'm sorry, not a 7, a 6 port here. So I'm gonna need to get another cable. I think I have all my extra cables that I have for my power supply, so I'll have to get that. Let's see. Of course, in the back we have the 3 display ports, and then we have 3 HDMI ports. So it looks like it does have RGB, so it looks like right here as well as here. And then this is an, what is it? I believe a little LED screen that will display either information, or I guess you can also change certain things on here for images or anything like that. So it does have, I guess, what was it? The original NVIDIA, I think it was the Founders Edition, that technically basically blows the air out on this fan over here on this side. So, cool deal. All right, well, I'm going to go right ahead and get this plugged in. All right, so I just want to go right ahead and show you the differences. I'll just, hopefully I can do it really good. Let's see, I'll just show you here. So this is the beefy one, new beefy one. And this, it's a little bit dirty, but yeah, this was my old one. So size comparison, let's just say right there, I mean, it's missing at least an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches right here. But if you actually see them side by side, I'll just do it like this. I guess, yeah, I'll just do it like this. Like you can see the difference from one to the other. So yeah, this is chunky. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get this puppy installed. Okay, so everything's connected. Let's see what we got. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to take the little sticker from that LED screen. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. That is pretty cool. So I don't know if you could see it, but so the AORUS logo is actually on. That little light strip is on. I believe the bottom one is on. And looks like, see if I can get this. And it looks like there's a little egg there. Tripped out. All right. So yeah, screens are all messed up, but I'll go right ahead and fix that. All right, so I'm having a little bit of an issue. This monitor won't turn on and won't receive signal. So I was already thinking, it was like, you know what? It's like, I bet you anything that it's gonna need the software. And sure enough, software just installed and monitor is working once again. All right, so let's go right ahead and run Time Spy. So I'm gonna go ahead and run Time Spy. FYI, this is just stock, so I haven't even done any overclocking on it. So let's see what kind of score we get. All right, so I got a bunch of achievements already. So right now we're running, I don't know if you can see it. Well, it's a little bit, it's upside down. But we're running, what is it? Time Spy score. This is without overclocking. 14,919. So average would be 14,229. Graphics score, we're at a 15,608. CPU score 11,935. But great improvement, you know, from, of course, a 4080 to a 3070 Ti. So not bad, looking good. Alrighty, so I ran another test. Now this time I actually overclocked it. So the initial score that I got, and keep in mind, I just overclocked it a little bit. I didn't go too high up. I would still need to actually tweak it to see how far I can push this card. But just with that little small tweak, so it went from 14,919 complete score. We went to 15,115. So not bad whatsoever. Still need to play with it, so let's see how it goes. Alrighty everybody, well that is the end of this video. I know I said this in my last video that I just needed one more component left to go right ahead and start streaming, and of course that was the graphics card. I'm gonna go right ahead and try to do, of course, most likely I'll do some streaming for, you know, video games. Eventually what I want to do is actually do video streaming, or actually stream certain projects that I want to do, and you know, I just want to give you, I guess, like my whole thought process whenever I try to set something up like this. So I really do hope that you will join me for that roller coaster ride. I'm fairly certain it's not going to be an easy one, but hey, let's go right ahead and do this. So, like always, thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.